Hi, in this video I'll be talking about variables and sequence. What is a variable in R? It is an object with a single value. It is the simplest object in R. It can be assigned an expression involving other variables. For example, let's take the variable a and I will assign the value 4 to a, and the variable b and I will assign the value 5 to b. And then I will put a plus c in D, a plus b in C. Let's run the program and here we go. I have the value 4 in A, 5 in B, and 9 in C. Now, to create a sequence, I have many ways. A sequence is a vector made of numbers. It has a fixed pattern. For example, I will put in X the sequence from 10 to 30. Let's print X. Here we go. I have here a sequence from 10 to 30. I can also create a sequence using a function. And in this function, I have mainly 4 arguments from to by end lengths. Let's use the function without naming the arguments. For example, from -10 till 10 and by 0.25. I don't need here the lengths because I know when the sequence will start and when it will end. Let me print the X. Here we go. We have this sequence from -10 till 10 and the step here is 0.25. Let's create a new sequence in Y using the arguments from equal 1, length equal 10, and the step by is 0.5. I will print Y. Here is my sequence from 1 to 5 and the step is 0.5. I can also create a sequence using the rep function, which means replicate. Here we go. In this function, I need to create the sequence and to specify the number of times I want the function to repeat the sequence. Each equal 3. And this is my variable containing the sequence from 3 to 5, and each element is repeated 3 times. I can also define my new variable with a new sequence. Each 3, repeat all of it 2 times. This is my sequence. It's repeating each element 3 times, and all of the sequence 2 times. Finally, I can use a vector to repeat my sequence with different elements in this vector. For example, 2, 3, and 4. So I have my sequence from 3 to 5, and the first element is repeated 2 times, the second element is repeated 3 times, and the third element is repeated 4 times. Thank you.